literally every single person I have seen since the reopening of Earth Salon have all said the same thing. I can't believe it's been this long. I feel like a new person. They felt that we were more important than 90% of the things that were open. People well preferred to get their hair done first.
People are so used to every 4 weeks or every 6 weeks coming in, and all of a sudden that's taken away from them. So that they look in the mirror, they see a different person evolving as their hair is growing out, and the vulnerability of that.
They didn't have an issue with some of the lockdowns, but more how our industry was looked at as a whole. We can show you therapists who will confirm our data that personal care, self-esteem, and confidence is what people need right now.
It's not only about their hair, it's also about the social aspect of it, the physical interaction and the connection.
We were mandated by our governments for good reasons, but at the same time, is it ever a good time to shut down a business? With that being said, and we had to look at our business model.
People's spending habits have changed, behaviors have changed.
It was too long of a lockdown that damage wouldn't set in further with our staffing issues. The government subsidy checks are still being given out. So a lot of employees don't want to come back to work unless there's a guarantee. But then we have this influx of demand of 10-month backlog of people who've been dying to get their hair done. And now you have to sort of slow that down because we can't facilitate it without a full staff. So you managed okay?
Yeah. You guys are all hanging in.
Oh yeah, we're good. We're making it work, we're realistic. Because of a brilliant clientele, a lot of them are very compassionate and understanding to what's happening. So they are loyal and they want to wait, which we're super grateful for.
And our goal is to make them feel that confidence when they walk out of here.
And then the transformations have been quite lovely because people are sort of trying new things, more open-minded, desperate to find normal again. But of course, as you see people walk in and then leave, boy, it's been a long 9 months. And then everything above the brow, you just sort of toss up and
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
I do believe though that because you can't monetize this online, everyone will be back. It's just a matter of upping your game, keeping your environment safe, and giving added value. And at the end of the day, I always carry the perspective as an entrepreneur. There are no guarantees. No one owes us anything. And I personally determine when my career is over. There you go.
I think we're good. Thanks very much, Michael.